Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Yes. Have you done the practice of adjoint, inverse of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix? Now is it easier for you? How to find this adjoint and adverse? Inverse? Sorry. Yes? Okay. Now we will do more practice for that. That is in exercise 4.5. Today we will do the exercise 4.5 for the adjoint of each matrix. Here, question number 1. Find adjoint of first 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say adjoint of A is. How to find that I have already told you. You can write the direct answer for that. What is it? Change 4, 1. Change the sign. So you can write it. Yes. Second is here. 1 minus 1, 2. 2, 3, 5. Minus 2, 0, 1. So now if you want to find the adjoint of 3 by 3, what you have to take care? These are the 4 places where you change the sign. Another thing, go through row wise, write down column wise. This is slogan bana do, you know. Slogan की तरह याद रखो. Go through row wise, write down column wise. But only for adjoint, not everywhere. Right? Yes. Now, first, 1 का अगर find करना है cofactor, so hide that first. 3 minus 0. Go through row wise. Minus 1. Hide this. 2 minus plus 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. But this is the place where we have to change the sign. Second, third. Hide this. 0 minus plus 6. Now second row. Here first row complete हुई या first column complete होगा. Second row. Minus 1 minus 0. But place we have to change the sign. 3. Cofactor हो जाएगा 1 plus 4. Fine. Because ये minus है तो minus plus. यहाँ hide this. 0 minus 2. But you have to change the sign. Now third row. Hide this. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. For 0 you will hide this row and this column. 5 minus 4, 1. Change the sign. For this 3 plus 2, 5. Is it easy for you to find the adjoint? Yes? Okay. Now, question number 2. Verify A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I in 3 and 4. Now, this is question number 1, 2, now 3. Here, A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. So, we will first find adjoint of A. You just interchange the principal diagonal and change the sign of secondary diagonal. Now we will find A into adjoint of A. 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6 into its adjoint is minus 12 plus 12. Okay. Minus 6 plus 6. minus 6 4s are 24 plus 6 4s are 24 minus, okay, it is plus 24 minus 20. Here is 12 minus 12. So you will get here 0 0 0 0. ये हमें 0 मिल रहा है, right? Everything will be 0 0 0 and 0, right? Now can you write this is equal to determinant of A. Now here we will find, suppose determinant of A पहले find कर लेते हैं. 2 3 minus 4 minus 6 minus 12 minus minus plus 12 is 0. Okay, determinant of A 0 हो रहा है, इसीलिए ये 0 हो गया. You know why? This we can write 0 into 1 0 0 1. We can write like this. Yes or no? Yes. 0 क्या है? Determinant of A. और ये क्या है? Identity matrix. So A into adjoint of A, we will get this. Yes or no? Yes, you get it? Okay. Now if you want to find, तो adjoint of A into A भी find कर लेते हैं. So it is minus 6 minus 3 4 2. 2 3 minus 4 minus 6 minus 12 plus 12 minus 18 plus 18. It is 8 minus 8. 12 minus 12. So that is again 0 0 0 and 0. So you can write like this, because 0 is determinant of A and that is identity. So hence adjoint of A into A and A into adjoint of A, both is determinant of A into I. Yes? Okay. You know that determinant of A 0 है, तो ये कौन सा मैट्रिक्स हो गया? Yes, it is called singular matrix. Yes, and therefore if you want to find the inverse, it's not possible. That is our question number 3. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 4 is, question number 4, you have to prove the same thing for that A into adjoint of A. Yes? So first of all, we will find determinant of A. Okay, you got this answer or something else? Oh, it is something else. Determinant of A plus 1, 3 is 9 plus 2. Oh, sorry. It is 0. 11. Okay. Now, adjoint of A find करते हैं. These are the 4 places, keep in mind. Yes, here it is 0. Good. Here it is 9 minus plus 2, that is 11. So it is minus 11. We have to change the sign. Then 0. First row over. Second row minus 3. But you have to change the sign. Second row 3 plus 3 minus 2, 1. And here 0 plus 1, 1. But it is minus 1. Change the sign. Now third row 2. Here it is minus 2 minus 6. Minus 8. But plus 8 we change the sign. 0 minus 3. It is minus plus 3. So that is 3. This is our adjoint, right? Let me check it is right or not. 0, 3, 2 minus 11, 1, 8, 0 minus 1, 3, right? Okay. Now we will find A into adjoint of A. So A is 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 0 minus 2, 1, 0, 3 into its adjoint 0, 3, 2 minus 11, 1, 8, 0 minus 1, 3 is 0, 11, 0. So you get it 11. 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 8 plus 6, 0. 0, 0, 0. 9, 0. 3, 3 are 9. Okay, plus 2, that is 11. 6, 0 minus 6. 1, okay, 0, 0, 0. 3, 0 minus 3. 2, 0, 9, 11. That is 11 you can take it common, right? तो हम 11 कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 11 is what? The value of determinant of A into this is identity matrix. The same way you can do adjoint of A into A. अगर आप adjoint of A into A करेंगे तो भी क्या मिलेगा? सेम मिलेगा. चेक इट आउट, आप खुद चेक कीजिए. राइट, अगेन ये दोनों को फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट दिस. डोंट राइट इट डायरेक्टली. डायरेक्ट लिखा देन यू विल लॉस द मार्क. So we can verify this result for 3 by 3 matrix also. Understood? Yes. This is question number 4. Question number 5. Find the inverse of question number 5. 2 minus 2, 4, 3. First of all, you have to find its determinant to check whether it is singular है कि नहीं. 6 minus minus plus 8. 14 not 0. A inverse exists. अब एक जॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे. 3, 2 इंटरचेंज किया. 2 minus 4 साइन चेंज किया. नाउ A inverse 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the answer. No need to do that anything. अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो, कैंसिलेशन करो, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so this is question number 5. 6 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 2. First of all, find its determinant. And therefore A inverse exists. You know now this one. आपको अभी आना चाहिए ये खुद करना, right? Adjoint of A 2 minus 1 चेंज कर दिया. यहां साइन चेंज कर दो. A inverse is our answer. Understand? That means what you know. Two things you have to keep in mind. एक तो ये भूलना नहीं है, is equal to 0 है तो वो सिंगुलर हो गया. Inverse does not exist. Another thing is अगर इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट है तो जॉइंट फाइंड करो. ये इंटरचेंज और यहाँ साइन चेंज and write down the formula. एवरी टाइम राइट डाउन द फॉर्मूला इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आप बार बार लिखेंगे तो आपको याद रह जाएगा. देयर इज नो नीड टू लर्न बाय हार्ट. उसको लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अंडरस्टूड? यस. सो एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू राइट द फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट. ओके. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज to find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Question number 8. A is first we will find the determinant. Row wise 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 which is not equal to 0. हम row wise उसको expand कर रहे हैं, right? And therefore it is not equal to 0 हुआ. Oh sorry, मैंने 8th वाला डायरेक्ट लिख दिया है. 7th remaining जो कि हम बाद में करेंगे. Now adjoint of A. So I will write now minus 3 here. You hide this minus 3. You hide this again minus 3 but change the sign. Here 6 minus 5 3s are 15 minus 9. Second row 0. Here it is. ये hide करेंगे minus 1. ये हाइड करेंगे 2 that is minus 2. change the sign. Here 0. Here it is 0 and here it is 3. This is adjoint. Now A inverse 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Minus 3 0 0. Minus 9 minus 2 3. Right? This is our answer. You can also multiply this 3 inside and also write the answer. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया 1 0 0. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया minus 1 1 by 3 0. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया 3 2 by 3 minus 1. Like this also you can write the answer. मैंने क्या किया 1 by 3 is multiplied by each and every element of the matrix. आप ऐसे भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ रहने देंगे तो भी चलेगा. बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई इट. ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में माइनस प्लस का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. अंडरस्टूड? यस. अब 7 रिमेनिंग है. कैन यू डू दिस 7 ऑफ योर ओन? यस. जैसे हमने 8 किया वैसे ही आप 7 अपने आप कर सकते हैं. राइट? सो विल नॉट डू दैट. 7 आप खुद कीजिए. 8th मैंने कर दिया है. 9th I will do. 10th is for yourself. 10th आप फिर से खुद करेंगे. So here 9th 2 1 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 7 2 1. This is the 9th one. I will do it for you. 10th आप खुद करेंगे. Right? So मैं ये करती हूँ. 10th खुद करना है. मतलब कि आपको तो 5 to 11 सब करने हैं. कीप इन माइंड. सारे के सारे सम्स करोगे तब भी प्रैक्टिस मिलेगी. हियर 4 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 2 minus 1 4 plus 3 8 minus 7 minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 is not equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes. Now adjoint of A. How to find the adjoint? पहले ये -1, फिर second 4 minus 0, but here it is -4. 4. 4 minus 0, but here it is -4. We'll change the sign. 8 minus 7 1. 2 minus 1 2. 3 minus 7 3. 4 minus 7 1. 2 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 Fill first row column complete. Second row 1, but change the sign. Here 2 plus 7 3s are 21. Oh my god, it is 23. The larger number is there. Here 4 minus 7 minus 3, but it is 3. Second row column complete. Third row 0 minus 3, that is plus 3. Here it is 0 minus 12, so it is plus 12. And here minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. This is our adjoint, right? Now A inverse. 1 upon minus 3, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 23, 12, 1, 3, minus 6. This is the answer. 2 marks question में if nothing is given, अगर दिया है कि find the inverse, then वो echelon inverse method, row method करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is too long. पर अगर आइडेंटिफाई किया, अपने थर्ड चैप्टर में किया होगा दैट रो एशिलॉन बाय फाइंडिंग द इनवर्स. अगर आपको इनवर्स एशिलॉन मेथड से करना है, दैट आइडेंटिफाई किया है, तो वो ही मेथड यूज करो. पर अगर कुछ नहीं दिया है फाइंड द इनवर्स, तो वो रो प्राइमरी दैट एशिलॉन मेथड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड द इनवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बाय दिस मेथड ओनली. जिसका इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट है, it's the non-singular matrix. Inverse does not exist, then it is called the singular matrix. Keep in mind. 1 mark question में ये आ सकता है. Now question number 10. The question number 10 is 10 you will do it yourself. मैंने आपको 7 and 10 homework में दिया है. 5, 6, 8, 9 we have done it here, जो कि तो आपको करना ही है. But 7 and 10 do it yourself. Definitely you will get the answer. There is no doubt. Okay? Yes. Now 11th. Question number 11 में भी inverse find करना है. Now, first we'll find the determinant 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha sin alpha, 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. It is determinant. So 1 into minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Take minus common. Here is 0 and 0. अगर हम 0 इस तरह या इस तरह एक्सपांड करेंगे, इक्वल्स 0. minus 1 cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. It becomes 1. So the answer is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So therefore, we will write A inverse exist. Now adjoint of A. 1 minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha minus common, so it is cos square plus sin square, it is minus 1. पहले का adjoint है minus 1, सेकेंड का adjoint है 0 0, थर्ड का adjoint 0 0. सेकेंड रो अगर ये हाइड किया तो 0 0. यहां सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम माइनस कॉस अल्फा 0. यहां ये और ये हाइड किया साइन अल्फा 0, बट विल चेंज द साइन. नाउ थर्ड रो 0. Here this hide minus sin alpha because we change the sign at this place. And last way cos alpha. This is our adjoint, right? Yes. Now A inverse 1 upon minus 1 into minus 1 0 0 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha and cos alpha. माइनस अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, yes or no? अगर -1 upon -1 है then it is 1 only, that is -1 only. So if you multiply it in that inner matrix, so what happened? A inverse 1, 0, cos alpha, sin alpha minus cos alpha. That means what you know? A ही आ गया, देखो सेम आ गया. That means what? A inverse is A itself, right? पूछा नहीं है फिर भी we will write. Yes? Okay. So this is our question number 11. So inverse के question यहाँ खत्म होते हैं. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 12. Okay. So this question number 12 also you will do it yourself. मैं आपको hint दे देती हूँ because it is too long but very easy. A is 3725. B is 6879. Verify AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. What you will find? पहले AB फाइंड करेंगे. 3725 6879 ये आपको फाइंड करना है. Then you will find determinant of AB which is not equal to 0. Therefore AB inverse exists. अब adjoint of AB फाइंड करो and you will write AB inverse is 1 upon determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. इसका जो भी आंसर मिलेगा you will get number 1. Now B inverse फाइंड करना है तो पहले determinant of B फाइंड करो. It should not equal to 0. B inverse exist है. Adjoint of B फाइंड करो. B inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of B. Now A inverse के लिए determinant of A फाइंड करो which is also not equal to 0. So A inverse is exist. Now adjoint of A find करो. A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now we will find B inverse into A inverse. दोनों की product number 2. From 1 and 2 we can say that B inverse A inverse and AB inverse is equal, right? So they long है but easy है. All the steps we have written here. So do it yourself. ये मैं आपको यहाँ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. That is you have to do it yourself, right? Okay. So now this is question number 12 that you have to do it yourself. Now question number 13. A is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. Now A is given here. First we will find A square. Product 9 minus 1. 3 plus 2. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 4. Now we will find A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 8, 5 minus 5, 3. 3, 1 minus 1, 2. 1, 0, 0, 1. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स सब लिख दिया. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई करो अंदर. 5 minus 5 3. 15 5 minus 5 10. 7 0 0 7. 8 minus 15 plus 7. 5 minus 5 0. Minus 5 minus 5 minus minus plus 5 0. 3 minus 10 plus 7. So you will get 0 0 0 0. So you will get this a square minus 5a. We have proved it. A square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. You got it. You know how to multiply this matrix multiplication, corresponding addition, added. ये सब आपने चैप्टर 3 में किया हुआ है. So ये सब हमें एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now from hence मतलब इसके ऊपर से A inverse फाइंड करो. तो हमने एग्जाम्पल में एक सम किया था. What we have to do? We have to multiply A inverse on both the side, so that here A square A inverse, 5A inverse, 7I A inverse equal to 0. Therefore ये क्या होगा? A inverse. A square में मैंने A into A लिख के A inverse दे दिया. 5 A inverse, 7 IA inverse equal to 0. So it becomes identity. A into identity. It becomes identity. Plus 7 identity multiply into anything is same. Now this A inverse कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो here it is A minus 5y plus 7A inverse equal to 0. So we will get this A inverse is equal to, ये दोनों को इस तरफ ले जाओ, 5y minus A, एंड ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, उसे डिनोमिनेटर में ले आओ. 1/7 5y minus A. Understand? Yes. Then A inverse 1/7. Here 5i है, तो 5005. This is 5i minus A. 3 1 minus 1 2. 1/7. 5 minus 3 2. 0 minus 1. 0 plus 1. 5 minus 2 3. This is our A inverse. Understood? हमने क्या किया? A inverse से मल्टीप्लाई. तो ये आया. अब A inverse फाइंड करना है, तो ये दोनों टर्म इस तरफ इंटू 1/7. ये मिल गया हमें आंसर. Understood? This is our question number 13. Now question number 14 पे जाते हैं. Question number 14 is, for matrix 3 2 1 1, find the number A and B. Find number A and B such that A square AA BI is equal to 0. आपको ये नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं वेयर A square AA small a into A plus small b into I, it becomes 0. So first of all we'll find A square. 3 2 1 1 into 3 2 1 1 is 9 plus 2 11. 6 plus 2 8. Here is 3 plus 1 4. 2 plus 1 3. This is A square. Now we will write A square AA BI equal to 0. 11 8 4 3 is A square. A into A. So ये सारे एलिमेंट A से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. So that 3A 2A AA small a, 3A 2A 1A 1A. bi, b into 1 0 0 I, 1 0 0 into b is given. b into I क्या होगा? 1 0 0 1 को b से मल्टीप्लाई करो. So it is b 0 0 b. Now add the corresponding elements. 11 plus 3a plus b. 8 plus 2a plus 0. 4 plus a plus 0. 3 plus a plus b. 0. So 0 is the 0 matrix, you know. Here is, this is 0 matrix. Now कोई भी एलिमेंट को हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो वी कैन गेट द आंसर. हियर 11 plus 3a plus b equal to 0 number 1. 8 plus 2a is equal to 0 number 2. 4 plus a equal to 0 number 3. 3 plus a plus b equal to 0 number 4. So from 3, 4 plus a equal to 0, so a is equal to minus 4, you will get the answer. If you write a minus 4, it's satisfied. That means answer is same. Now we'll write anywhere in the value a and get b. So from 4, 3 plus a plus b 0. 3 minus 4 plus b 0, so b is equal to 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Going this side, it gives you 1. So the value of a and b is minus 4 and 1, so that it becomes 0. So हमने क्या किया? ये लिया, ये multiply किया, addition किया and equation solve किया. Is it easier? Yes. This is question number 14. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 15 is, so question number 15 says, one, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i equal to 0 and find a inverse. So first of all, you have to do this also something yourself. I will not be a square find करेंगे. 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 into do it yourself. I will give you some time. A square आप खुद find करो. So you get it. The answer is 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14. You want a cube. Again a square into it. 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 into, this is a square, into a. Do this multiplication of yourself. Do it fast. I will not do that. Yes. So you should get the answer 871 minus 23 27 69 32 13 58. Right? Yes. Now we will write a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 871 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 13 58 minus 6 into a square 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 40 plus 5 into a plus 11 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Add the corresponding element and check whether you will get 0 or not. I will give you the time. I will not do this. ये आपको खुद करना होगा. Multiply this 6 everywhere, 5 everywhere, 11 everywhere. Then add the corresponding element. Definitely you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. That is equal to 0 matrix. So we have proved this is equal to 0. Right? ये proof हो गया. तो ये आपको थोड़ा खुद करना होगा. Hence, find A inverse. इसके ऊपर से A inverse find करना है. So, how to find it? That we will do it here. वो हम यहाँ पे करेंगे. Here it is. Multiply करेंगे A square into A क्यूब की जगह पे into A inverse. 6A स्क्वायर की जगह लिखाइए इंटू ए इनवर्स. 5 ए इनवर्स 11i ए इनवर्स इक्वल टू 0. सो इट बिकम्स ए स्क्वायर आई 6ai 5i 11a इनवर्स इक्वल टू 0. ए स्क्वायर 6a 5 11a इनवर्स 0. So you know what is 11a inverse? तो a inverse is equal to 1 by 11 into. ये अगर उस तरफ गया ये 5y तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? What is it? It is minus a square plus 6a minus 5y. Yes or no? जैसे हम करते हैं वैसे ही करना है. So that यहां मैंने क्या किया समझ में आया. ए इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई. ए क्यूब है ए स्क्वायर बाहर ए इंटू ए इनवर्स. ए स्क्वायर है ए बाहर ए इंटू ए इनवर्स. ए इंटू ए इनवर्स आई इंटू ए इनवर्स. आई इंटू ए इनवर्स बिकम्स ए इनवर्स. दिस बिकम्स आई. दिस बिकम्स आई. दिस बिकम्स आई. आई के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो ही रहेगा. एंड ए इनवर्स यहां रहने दिया बाकी सब इस तरफ ले गए. राइट. Okay. A minus a square. A square you have already found. वहां पे सब माइनस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So you will get minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 8 14 minus 7 3 minus 14 that is minus a square. Then plus here 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 12 minus 18, 12 minus 6, 18, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Now if you find it, then you will get, अगर addition subtraction कर दिया, then 1 upon 11 remains as it is. यहाँ this plus minus जो करना है addition subtraction करोगे, you will get the answer. It is minus 3, 4, 5, 9 minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 3 minus 1. You will get this A inverse. Understood? Do this thoroughly when we go ahead with the next sum. Okay students, so this is our question number 15. Now question number 16 is the same जो हमने अभी किया है. Therefore, given matrix a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i आपको 0 करना है and hence find a inverse. तो a inverse both the side multiply करके ये करना है. You will get the answer. So that means kids number 16 you have to do it yourself. That is your homework. Right? Will not do it here. All the sums हम यहाँ पे नहीं करेंगे. Question number 17 is the option that is MCQ. A be the non-singular square matrix of order 3 by 3. Non-singular that is determinant is not 0. The adjoint of A is equal to हमने notes में लिखा था adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A square. Here adjoint of A is equal to, here A is the matrix of order n cross n. तो एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए क्या होगा? दैट इज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ n-1। अब यहाँ पे 3 क्रॉस 3 ऑर्डर दिया है, तो यहाँ 3-1 आएगा, सो दैट इज a²। एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए क्या आ जाएगा? डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ a²। यस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, बी ऑप्शन इज देयर। क्वेश्चन 18, इफ A is an invertible matrix of order 2, अगर A is the invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A. This is the result that you have to keep in mind. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए। फिर वो कोई भी ऑर्डर हो, इट डजेंट मैटर, डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए होगा। दैट इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। सो हियर द exercise 4.5 is completed. In that 3 sums we have not done, 3 or 4 sums. That is very easy और same है, जो कि आपको खुद करने होंगे। दैट यू हैव टू डू इट योर सेल्फ। डोंट ओमिट दैट, डोंट अवॉइड टू डू इट। फॉर द मोर बेटर प्रैक्टिस यू हैव टू डू इट योर सेल्फ। आपको खुद करना होगा। यू अंडरस्टैंड? यस। अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है टू फाइंड द इनवर्स, टू फाइंड द एडजॉइंट और एनी, देन यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम। आपको भी कॉल करके मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। बट बोर्ड एग्जाम में लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इफ इट इज गिवन फाइंड इनवर्स ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स एंड नॉट आइडेंटिफाई द मेथड, तो यही मेथड आपको करनी होगी, बिकॉज एशेलॉन मेथड इज टू मच लॉन्ग, जो कि आपने 3rd चैप्टर में की है। सो ऑलवेज फाइंड द मैट्रिक्स बाय दिस मेथड एंड देयरफॉर इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। प्लीज डू इट थरोली, डू ऑल द सम्स, राइट? And therefore this is very important for the board exam, that you keep in mind. So exercise 4.5 is over. Now application of determinant and all that we will do in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Do it thoroughly. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Till then, bye. Stay safe. Stay home.